A castle? Enters. Tweet, 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 tweet. Does that mean... Hi, guys. Where am I? God, it's her! Lock her up! And so... Man. Meanwhile... Really? You're supposed to be handling the main character, not the secondary. So what? And as a meanwhile... I know you. Huh? I am Fairyman, co-head of the weirdest club in the Candy Kingdom. The weirdest club? That club doesn't belong in Gacha Club. No, the word weirdness in the weirdness club stands for weirdness, intergalactic, migrants, rose, dimensional, nothing, earth, shall, save. Club. Really? Hey, Fairyman, she's here! Oh shoot, forgot! Can I come too? No. In White Rabbit's throne room. Squeak! I sort of. She's from another universe. Squeak, squeak! Her name is Pigeone. Hey, that's not how you pronounce my name. It's... So you're the Fairyman was talking about. Yeah. And I'm also a student at... Huh? Starts to pick up. Crash. Another meanwhile. Crash. What? Okay, I'm going home with this. Stop! You're in direct violation of code 1205, which means bowling ball! Crash. Meanwhile. Come on, portal! Whoosh! Whoosh! Another meanwhile. Opens eyes. Oh yeah, Dofton? Oh, I've missed you so much. And I've got a play to finish. Looks down. God, I look weird. Later, night has risen. I can't believe the play's done beautifully. Yeah. I don't want to be in trouble again. And what's that you're holding? A red umbrella I got from the Candy Kingdom. Even though I saw no candy. Get some rest. We've got a very big day ahead of us tomorrow. Okay, night. Night. The end.